I am from Source International. We are working in digital textile printing machines, and we have put up our stall here today, and we are getting a very good response for last couple of days. This is our machine, Mimaki Textile Jet. It is from Japan. The machine is made in Japan, and we are now printing polyester fabric. As far as our company is concerned, we are working in different field of textile printing, including digital, conventional, rotary, flatbed, and different kind of printing stuffs. The new thing that we are introducing here is the digital machine, sorry to say, the digital machine with the foils and some coating on denims, as well as some transfer press. You can see our stall. There are a lot of things which are quite new, and we are promoting. We have two different brands. One is from Europe, which is from Belgium, and the other is from here, from Japan. We can create a lot of things like these kind of machines are actually focusing on different kind of materials like polyester, cotton. So you can print disperse, acid, every kind of material on these kind of machines. As far as the sublimation is concerned, the process that you can just see on the background. Here we can print fabric for the ladies' fashion like chiffon, chamois, georgette, and different kind of silk as well. This particular model is actually focused for the fashion designers who are dealing with low cost and small production scales, where you can print like 50 or 100 suits a day, and you can create one on these machines. These machines are like you have a design, you can create the design, and you can just turn your design onto the fabric within maybe 2-3 hours, and you can complete the whole garmenting within a couple of hours. And here there is no sampling cost, and it's all, like if you want to create your own dress, if you want to design your own dress, if you have something like this that you want to create a dress for you, then you can create it, or you can talk to your designer that I want these colors and these kind of stuff so it can be easily done over here. So and my company has been focusing on the latest digital textile printing technology for last couple of years. We are working in Karachi, Lahore, Faisalabad, Sialkot, and we have got a team of professional engineers and strong contact with our overseas suppliers from Japan and Europe. And we hope that we should really hard these kind of technologies into the market, the new ones, because the world is moving so fast, and we have to, really encounter the problems that we are facing, like in India, in Bangladesh, in China. People come to us and said that we get it done by China, we get it done by India, we get it done by elsewhere. Why can't we do this? We can also do all kind of work. We have this technology. We are the pioneers of textile in the world. So, I mean, there is nothing which can stop us. Only we need that enthusiasm in us, that we should believe in us, and we are the one who will take Pakistan to regain its prestige and the kind of popularity that we had in textiles. And Pakistan is getting business also, but we really need to strive very hard to get more business, and this could be the beginning with the digital printing, because I travel all over the world for this kind of stuffs, and we can see now even these machines are being put up in Europe, China, and different parts of the world, because they really want customized products now. So for the customized kind of products, we are actually playing these kind of products in Pakistan and participating here in this exhibition. Thank you.